Good morning, Professor. We are Group 3 members Vijay Gupta, Nitin Khurana, Jas Pandori, Laprit Singh, Neha. Our presentation is on digital transformation at RBC. So, the main agenda of this presentation is introduction, background and relevance, research purpose, scope and objectives, literature review, methodology, analysis, opportunities and risks, implementation plan, and conclusion. So I am going to start with the introduction. What is the growing demand for 6G technology? In the banking sector, Royal Bank of Canada, for the big improvement in imaging, location tracking, and presence technology, we are like launching or thinking about the 6G technology in the RBC. Next is use advanced computing and AI for better data processing, sharing, and storage. Moreover, create smart and very secure data networks. So, Royal Bank of Canada digital transformation, basically a top financial institution aiming to stay ahead through digital changes. Next is focus on how to use 6G technology in its operation. So, why the need of the research, or we can say purpose of the research? First of all, it is a new technology in the banking sector which offer faster, safe, and more efficient online banking, net banking. Secondly, augmented reality, blockchain, wireless banking, and cyber security. The next need is reduced human errors and build client loyalty. And moreover, for providing 24 into 7 service to the customers. The main goal of Royal Bank of Canada initially integrate 60 technology trends. Next is enhance online banking with better security and faster transaction so that the customers get good response, good services from the banking sector. Next is stay competitive in the growing Canadian digital banking market so that the RBC can work efficiently and great way in the market. So the next part will be discussed by my friend Nitin.
Good evening, everybody. Today, we will explore the exciting realm of 6G technology and its potential on RVC. So, the scope of our study and the aims of our study is to analyze the 6G technology and its potential on RBC with other technology trends in Canada to see how RBC can leverage these advancements. So overview of the 6G technology is that it promises the high frequency, great capability, and significantly lower latency compared to 5G. The goal is to achieve communication with a latency of just 1 millisecond. The leap in the technology could transform how data is processed and communicated, opening up new possibilities for businesses like RBC. So the benefit for RBC is that implementing 6G technology, upgrade the existing to integrate 6G into RBC. So we need to upgrade the existing infrastructure with the necessary hardware and software, which is very crucial for their business. This would ensure that RBC stays at the forefront of the technological innovation, maintaining its competitive edge in the financial sector. Um, So another is the objectives. The main objective of this study is to understand how digital communication or digital transformation, specifically through 6G technology, can revolutionize the banking operations at RBC. So the benefits of 6G for RBC is that firstly, 6G can significantly improve efficiency by reducing delays. This enhancement in speed and responsiveness can lead to real-time data processing, which is crucial for financial transactions and services. Additionally, 6G enables more personalized banking experience, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Addressing data security issues is another benefit, as 6G can provide more robust and secure communication channels. The implementation plan is to roll out 6G effectively, creating a more detailed timeline with the key milestones and deliverable is essential. So this strategy approach ensures that the integration process is smooth and on schedule. Another objective is the workforce change. As with any major technology update, identifying new skill needs and job change will be very necessary in the future. Determining the training requirements for employee will help RBC workforce adapting to the new technology, ensuring they are well equipped to leverage the 6G capabilities. Another, the research and the methodology will be covered by Neha.
Good morning, everyone. So today I am like to discuss the exciting future of 6G technology and how it could impact the banking sector, especially for the Royal Bank of Canada. So in the background research, I am covering the three major part. So as we look to the next decade, 6G technology is expected to change many parts of our digital lives. It's not just about faster internet speed. 6G will transform how we process, store, and share data. For example, it could lead a better medical imaging or enhancing location services for self-driving cars. 6G will allow us to handle huge amount of data in real time, making our digital interaction smoother and more efficient. So in the mobile communication part, the evolution of mobile communication has always focused on making networks smarter and safer. With 6G, we will see networks that can quickly adapt to our needs. Security will be crucial, ensuring data moves quickly and safety through these networks. So, for RBC, adopting 6G technology aligns perfectly with their goals of digital transformation and staying competitive. RBC plans to use these advancements to provide more innovative and reverse services to their customer, keeping them at the cutting edge of banking. So, in the methodology part, technically 6G will dramatically increase network capacity and reduce delays to nearly zero. This will be possible through the use of terahertz frequency and advanced radio access network. For RBC, this means faster interaction and the ability to handle the complex data instantly, improving both of their operations as well as their customer services. So the next part will be discussed by my friend.
Thank you so much. So, good morning, everyone. Today, I'm excited to discuss the opportunities and the risk of implementing 6G technology at RBC, which is Royal Bank of Canada, along with our strategic plan for seamless integration. So to begin with, let's explore the opportunities 6G technology brings. So basically, 6G will leverage sustainable technologies, significantly reducing energy consumption and our carbon footprint, aligning with RBC's commitment to environmental stewardship. Not only this, 6G promises adaptive and cost effective networks, making advanced technology more accessible to the diverse communities. So, this fosters a socially mindful and resilient technological environment, enhancing our ability to serve all the customers, while 6G advances our capabilities too, and it also bring security and privacy challenges. However, proactive measures can turn these challenges into opportunities to innovate and strengthen our security framework. So now let's address the risk. So handling massive data and volume raises the risk of spying and unauthorized access, making robust data protection mechanism essential. Additionally, AI algorithms are not fallible, so errors can cause systematic breakdowns, disrupting network operations. Rigorous testing and validation protocols will be crucial to mitigate the risk, which I talked about earlier. So, the integration of drones and self-driving vehicles possess hacking and malfunction risks, which impacts the public safety too. Stringent security measures and fail safes are necessary to ensure safe operations. So, as we transition to the Internet of Everything era, the demand for the latency services will increase, which requires rigorous security measures to protect these services. So, to ensure a smooth transition to the 6G, we possess a phased implementation plan. To begin with, the phase one, which is the planning and incorporation. So, we will develop a strategic plan aligned with RBC long term goals, so, and outlining the key objectives, resources, and the timelines. Engaging stakeholders at every step is very crucial. So, we established communication channels to address these needs and the concerns. Moving forward with the phase two, which is the upgradation of the infrastructure. We will upgrade our infrastructure to support 6G by modernizing existing systems and investing in compatible new technologies. Uh, Finally, last but not the least, uh, it is the continuous monitoring and training where the employees should be properly trained and their performance should be tracked. And finally, is the maintenance where we get feedbacks and improvements, and regular maintenance is very necessary. Thank you so much. Now, the last part will be covered by my teammate, Lovely. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Now we comes to the end part. What we have in our bucket after discussing all the parts, and in the conclusion, we would say that adopting 6G technology is beneficial for the Reserve Bank of Canada. Like it will be transmitting the data faster, improve real-time operations, and offer artificial intelligence services better. These improvements can boost the RBC operations, customer experience, and innovations. Like, however, if something have their benefits, they have pros and cons also. Like in there is a big challenges for the cybersecurity risks, high cost, and complex integrations. To overcome this, RBC should upgrade its infrastructure and integrate new technologies with future upcoming plans, and training programs will help the employees learn necessary skill to use this advanced effectively. As this is all about our projects, hope you all gonna like it and gonna learn something from it. Thank you, Professor, for giving us time to speak on these topics. I'm saying thank you on behalf of my teammates. They did lots of research on this. Thank you, everyone.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.